At Mercedes-AMG, the high-performance GLE 63S 4MATIC Plus boasts impressive specs and a starting price of $175,000. It is a powerful and luxurious option for drivers that need a sporty and practical SUV. It comes with an extensive list of standard equipment including the air balance package, multi-contour front seats, head-up display, MBUX interior assistant, temperature-controlled cup holders, and a logo projector with an AMG-specific animation when the front doors are opened. Additionally, it features the latest generation of the AMG Performance steering wheel. The exterior design of the GLE 63 is marked by newly designed LED daytime running lights and revised LED rear lights. The model shares a visual similarity with the 8-cylinder models due to its expressively shaped side air intakes in a jetwing design. The paint range is enhanced by two new colors, Manufacture Alpine Gray Uni and Sodalith Blue Metallic. With a powerful presence and luxurious standard features, the GLE 63 is a top-of-the-range choice for drivers who value both performance and comfort. It stands out as a representation of pure AMG driving performance, combining extreme sportiness with excellent off-road capabilities and everyday reliability. It's powered by a proven 4-liter V8 biturbo engine, producing an impressive output of 612 horsepower, ensuring powerful propulsion. The exterior features redesigned LED daytime running lights, revised front aprons with expressive side air intakes in jetwing design, and revised LED tail lamps. The latest generation MBUX enhances the brand experience with an AMG-specific screen design. Standard features include the air balance package, multi-contour front seats, head-up display, MBUX interior assistant, temperature-controlled cup holders, and a logo projector with AMG-specific animation. Additionally, the model is equipped with the latest generation AMG Performance steering wheel, offering brilliant displays and intuitive controls. The GLE 63 is electrified with an integrated starter generator and a 48-volt electrical system, providing hybrid functions such as boosting, recuperation, load point shifting, sailing, and seamless engine restarting. All GLE 63 models come with fully variable AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive and AMG Ride Control air suspension with adaptive adjustable damping. AMG Active Ride Control active roll stabilization is standard, reducing body roll and improving handling and ride comfort. The facelift includes software updates and new setups for roll stabilization and air suspension, enhancing the balance between dynamic handling and comfort. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.